Hi everyone. So in the previous video we have learned about the C programming or C language, what is C language, and why we are learning C language, because we want to do some coding or programming using the C language. We can do our coding, right? We can write some instruction for the computer. So using this C language or syntax of C language, we are writing some instruction. That instruction is making the C programming. Okay, so let's learn about the C programming or C language. So C, what is C language? C is a programming language. We use this language to write some program. It was developed at AT and T Bell Laboratory of USA in 1972. So it was developed in 1972. So this is a very old language, right? And it was developed by this famous Dennis Ritchie, and it is easy and simple to use. This language is very easy and it is simple to use. So let's see what is next. So in the previous video we have learned that C is also a language like English or like any other language. C is similar to that. So you all know the syntax of English language, right? So the syntax is there are in the basic level some alphabets are making some words are making some sentences, and some sentences are making a paragraph, right? So similar to this, so here are in C language some alphabets, digits and symbols. So alphabets are also both in English language and C language, but there are some extra digits and some special symbols. So like in English there are some words, right? So similar to that words there are some constants which are consist of alphabets or digits or symbols, right? There are some variables which are also consist of some alphabet, digit and symbol, and there are some keyword also. So what are all these? So don't be confused, I will explain everything in the upcoming videos one by one. So first of all, alphabet, digit and special symbols are making constant variables and keywords, right? And all these together making some instruction, right? Like some sentences in English. So we use some words to make some sentences. Here we use maybe constants or variables or keywords to make some instruction, right? So at the end the instructions are making the program which we call C program, right? So to write a C program, right? To write a C program we need to use alphabets in the base level, then the alphabets are making some constants, variables or keywords, then these constant variables or keywords making some instruction, and couple of instruction making C program. Okay, so in the next video we will learn about what is alphabets, digits, symbols and constant variables and keywords. Okay, so thank you for seeing this video. If you do like my videos, and if you can understand what I am saying, so please support me, and to support me please subscribe and like my video. Thank you.